robotics. So again, robotics will divide into 4 parts. Basic concepts. Then we'll talk about what is robot, what is robotics, what is robotic system. So robot, robotics, robotic system. Then we'll talk about types of robot. And laws of robotics. Laws of robotics. So these are the area in basic concept. Obviously, we'll explore robotics like a subject of UPSC, not like BTech or MTech, right? Then we have another one that is called applications. An application we are going to explore like application in industry, application in health sector, application in home environment, application in defense, application in agriculture. That is important one. I mean, this much is very important. And then some miscellaneous topic will be there. So some extra miscellaneous. We'll look into that, disaster management, space exploration, these all will come up. Then after application, we have issues and concern over here also. Issues and concerns. Like the biggest application is industry, then biggest concern is also economical. Right. So what will be the outcome of using widespread robot into the industries? Then socio-ethical. Then we have defense related issues, whether robots should be used in a army or not. And there is something that will be running all through our discussion, that is human robot coexistence. Human robot coexistence. Human robot coexistence. And then we'll talk about India and world. So development of robotics in India and world. We'll talk about it.